Good morning, friends. Today we'll cover exercise 4 of tutorial series on Java serialization. So let's go to the problem statement. So this is a class exercise 4 which implements serializable interface, and it has got a CL version UI ID. And now it has got two methods, and the methods name are put as blank. So this exercise is more about knowing the syntax about the methods that we write, because whenever we try to override the JVM default selection process by using write object, write replace, read resolve, and read object, we should be very much sure that what is the signature of the method. That is very important. That's why this exercise is about how much you learn about the syntax of this all these methods. So the first one is public object. It returns an object and it throws object stream exception. This is the first blank. What is the method name? Which returns an object and which may throw object stream exception. And the second one is that we are not returning anything, and we are just doing something here with the method name, and we have got object output stream as the method argument, which means that we are going to write something because output stream is used for writing. That's why we are also returning void here. And here, I think if an object is returned, it should be something which is read back. Now choose all that apply, fill in the blanks with the proper method names to serialize an object. Okay. So the first option is that we should have in the first blank, it should be write object or write replace or read resolve. Or in the second option in the method, and we have got other three options that we can fill it with: write object, write replace, and read object methods. So let's look at and I will pause the video here. Just think about it, go through the syntax again, and before you come back. So guys, I hope that you have tried this problem on your own. So let's look at the solution now. So I have just printed out all this like method signature here. So it would be very clear that what we want here. So okay. So in the first blank, right, we are returning an object. It means that we are reading from the byte of streams, or from the we are trying to deserialize it here. So as we look at, if we compare all this like method signature, so write replace and read resolve, these two are having exact syntax as here. It returns an object, both write replace, as we know that write replace was used when we try to replace the serialization object with a custom object that we want to write, and it is always called before the write object method is called. Similarly, read resolve, when we try to deserialize the default object which is deserialized, we want to replace that with our custom object, and it is called after the read object is already called. So write replace and read resolve, these both methods return the custom object that we want to read to write or to read back. So that should be coming here in the first blank. Okay, so it means that if you write replace and read resolve, so answer B and C are correct. Now let's look at the second blank, which actually takes object output stream, which means that we are trying to write it, right? So again, let's look at object output stream. We have got only one method here, the write object, which exactly matches with this. Read object take object input stream because trying to read it. Here in this, we are only trying to write it. So this was a big hint that we are using object output stream as the method argument, which means that we are going to write it to the stream. So in this, we only see that write object. Answer D should be correct. So B, C, D are the correct solution answers for this exercise 4. So guys, this was all about this exercise 4. In the next video, we'll see exercise 5. So see you all in the next video.